How to find square root of 900 by long division method. First make pair from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, this is your first pair, this is your second pair. In second pair you have just only one digit. Now look, consider this second pair. You need to place here a number whose square will be equal to 9 or closest to 9. If you place here, look, 3, then 3 square equal to 9, which is equal to 9, right? So here you have placed the digit 3, so same digit will come to the quotient also. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract, you are getting 0. As you have placed the digit 3 in the quotient, so same digit will come under the divisor and you need to add. So 3 plus 3, 6. Now here you have to place here number, that number must come to here. Now multiply this times this, that is, look here, 6 your place number times this, and this product will be equal to, look, what? You need to bring down the next pair, right? Actually 0 0 means 0, so your product will be equal to 0 or nearest to 0. So this will possible if you place here 0 0, then 30 times 0, that is 60 times 0. Okay, 0 0, 60 times 0, 60 times 0, 0. 0 times 0 0, 0 times 6 0 means 0. 0 0 0 means 0, right? You can consider like this. So 0 times 60, 0. Subtract, you are getting 0. So our answer is 30. To check the answer, we have placed here the digit 0, so same digit will come under the divisor and add. 60 plus 0, 60. Okay, so look, this is double of this, so the double of 30 is 60, so our answer 30 is correct. The square root of 900 by long division method is 30.